Well, alright guys, it's a Kemeneko here, straight from examsandschools.com. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to check Jamb 2018 results quick and easy. Anyway, well, at the time of making this video, Jamb result 2018 was not actually out, but I stumbled upon a video on YouTube which I'm going to share with you guys. So you guys are actually going to watch that video. It's actually the same process that will be used and which you can use to check 2018 Jamb very quickly. Now I'm going to play the video right now for you guys to watch. It's one of those videos that actually explain the point, so just go through it and see. So the first thing is you go to Jamb website, where you can just go to jamb.org.ng. okay, as you can see, you click on it, and then when you click on it, that is if you're actually searching from Google, or you just get to the site directly. Okay, so let me pause and bring up the site again for you guys to see. This is the site, jamb.org.ng. So you get to this site just as you have seen. Right, let's continue. And when you get there, you scroll down, then you can actually either you can either click here to check the results, or alternatively you can actually log into your account. That is, when you created your Jamb that is when you created your Jamb profile during the Jamb registrations, you supplied an email address and you actually choose a password. So that's what you're going to be using to log into your Jamb profile. So as you can see now, you just click on it there, then you will be taken to this other page where you actually provide your email address and as you can see, you provide your email address and your password. Okay, so that is it. So when you have actually done that, you'll be taken to this page, and then you will see this button here too, and then you click on it. Click on this button here, check 2017 UTME examination results. Alternatively, you can check the left hand flank of the page where you can see a menu that contains the same information. So let's go. Okay, so when you get down to this side, you can see here, you can see a place where you can actually check for results notification. So there's a button here for results notification. When you click on it, you can actually check your results. So let's check it out. Okay, as you can see, you can actually check two kinds of results. Now you can either check your main Jamb UTME result 2018 or that of any other year, and also you can also check your UTME mock examination results. So in this case, you want to check your main UTME results for this. So you click on this one here. That is this one here. So when you click on it, or if it is either you click on, it is either, let me get back to that place, it is either you click on this, it is either you click here or you click here. Okay, then the result will show, and this is actually the results. So that's actually how to check Jamb results for this year. I want to believe you guys have seen it. That's how to check Jamb results 2018. It's really easy and simple and fast, and with that process you can actually check the results and then check to know how many you have scored. So that's been it, guys. It's a Kemeneko here saying keep checking examsandschools.com, and then keep getting the best value for educational and schools news. Have a great time and see you guys soon. Don't forget to like the video, give it a positive thumbs up, and also see a link that will take you to the section of our site where these points are actually clarified and put out in details. Have a great day, comment, and then let me get to know your own view about this. Bye bye.